Guys, so we will discuss about that for loop. Again, in that for loop, we have one more, that is enhanced for loop, that is called as for each loop. Okay, we will discuss that one and we will finish off. After that, we will discuss about break as well as we will discuss about continue also. Okay, we will finish today module 2. Okay, module 2 we will finish. Fine. See here, I think I explained about for loop, but still I will going to explain once again. Don't worry. It's very simple. So I think I showed you the syntax also. Yes or not? I think you people are well aware about the syntax. So in the for loop, what are the things will be there? I will show you. Don't worry. For simple, it's a keyword. Guys, please understand here. For again, what I will do, I will go to initialize the condition. That is I is equal to 0. I will going to take it. Anything if you want it, you can take it 10. No problem. Whatever you want it. So, but it should have value. Value should be there. That's it. Again here termination condition, nothing but you have to check the condition. The termination condition, you have to mention it. What is the termination condition? Is nothing but I is less than or equal to, I will go to mention 20. Okay, after that what I will go to do, I will go to increment the value here. I plus plus, nothing but what I value is 10. I will go to increment here up to where, up to 20. That is what exactly. Again open the bracket here. So this is the body of the for loop. What I will go to do, just I will going to execute this one. Here I will going to say, what is that? I value, I will going to print it. Okay. I will say the I value. I value is that is equal to, okay. So here I will go to mention concatenation. Again, mention the variable. That's it, nothing else. Just to run this program, you will understand. Okay, fine. So this is what exactly. This is all about for loop. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is there. So this is the small syntax as well as what happens here. Basically, I will go to explain about this one. So how the process will going to happen, everything I will go to explain. Just see this one. Okay, just to see this. See the procedure. That is enough. Okay. Okay. See here. See what happens here. There is a value, I value, that is 10. Here you can see there is a value, I value 10. So we have to check this one. Okay, that is the reason why. What is the I value? That is 10. 10 will be there here. It will going to check with this particular what? So value, that is 20. Understood everyone? So that is 20. So 10 is less than or equal to 20. True. So for that what happens? This loop will going to be inside the body. Okay, the control will go inside the body. It will going to execute the I value. What is the I value currently? That is 10. It will going to print that one. After that, it will go to increment the I value. What it will become? It will become 11. Okay, so I value will become 11. Again, it will come back. It will go to check. 11 is less than or equal to 20. Yes, true. Then it will go to come inside, get inside the body of for loop. Again, it will go to print the value, that is 11. Like that, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. So when I value becomes 19, 19 is less than or equal to 20. True. Again, it will go to print the value, that is I value 19. We can able to see this one 19. Again, what it will going to happen? 19 plus 1, it will become 20. Please understand, I value is 20 now. 20 less than or equal to 20. It is it is not less than 20, but it is equal to 20. This condition satisfies. That is the reason why once again it will go inside. Again, it will go to execute the I value, that is 20. But still the loop is not stopped. This is very, very important. Still the loop is not stopped. Again, it will go to increment this value. Okay, again I will going to be incremented. It will become 21. Yes or not? 20 plus 1, it will become 21. Yes or not, guys? 21. Now it will check I value. 21 is less than or equal to 20. True or false? It's a false. That's why just it will comes out of the body here. So this is how the process will going to happen. Nothing but what I, how many times it will going to execute? I will go to execute I plus 1 time. Yes or not? I plus 1. Up to 20, it will go to execute. 20 plus 1, what is the value? 21. Up to 21, it will go to execute. Nothing but consider I as a n here. Consider I as a n here. N plus 1 it will going to be executes. Okay, the loop will going to executes up to n plus 1 times. Okay, but you have to take the IR value. N is the IR value. So that is the reason why this loop will going to be executes. The time complexity of this particular for loop is very simple. That is order of big O of n. This one also you need to understand. Clear, everyone? Understood, Nishchita? Fiza, Kakila, understood? Got it or not? Yeah, good. Done. That is very, very important one. Okay, that's why I explained very neatly about that. Fine. So this is all about for loop. Now, what I will going to discuss, I will go to discuss about for each loop. Okay, I will go to discuss about for each loop. Let's see that one. Okay, we will see that one. Don't worry. So what is this for loop? For each loop, all those things. Nested loop also I explained. Okay, just what you will going to do inside one more. Okay, inside this you will going to create one more loop, that is called it as nested loop. That's it, nothing else. If you want it, you try it, because I will going to do all these things in what is that? Pattern. Okay, in pattern I will going to explain all those things. Don't worry right now. Okay, don't worry right now. All those things I will going to explain now. So what I will going to show you, if you want it, I will going to write one program on nested for loop. Okay, I will go to remove this one. Don't worry. So here I will going to create one more for loop here. Okay, for here I will going to say let me take I value is equal to 1 here. Again I is less than or equal to 5. Okay, again I plus plus. Here what I will going to do, I will take j. J is equal to 1. I will going to provide. Okay, so this is nested loop. Inside the for loop we have one more for loop, that is called it as nested for loop. J is less than or equal to, I will going to say I. Okay, less than or equal to I. Again j plus plus. J plus plus. That's it. Again to create a body for this. Again now I will take this statement, cut this one. I will go to paste it inside over here. Again, what is the mistake I made here? I haven't initialized. Sorry, I haven't mentioned the data type. That's why I will mention. That's it. Now what I will go to do, I will going to print the pattern. You can able to say I will going to print the pattern, that is triangle. Okay, triangle pattern I will going to print. Let's see this one, how it will come. I will going to remove this. Star. Okay, already explained in C and C++. So I think you people know about this one. That is the reason why I don't want to explain once again. It is not required actually. But when I start doing patterns, I will going to explain everything. Don't worry right now. I will going to explain each and every concept of patterns using nested loop, all those things. Okay. So here I will go. I will create one more statement for next line. I will go to remove this. Okay. That's it. New line. This will going to create a new line. That's it. Run this one. Yeah, we are getting, but something is missing here. Just a moment. What is missing? Okay, it's going to the next line now. So that's fine. Remove this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What I will do? Okay, fine. Everyone got it? Guys, everybody understood this one? This is a pattern. These are all called it as patterns. I will explain. Don't worry right now. Just you can able to print the triangle like this. Isosceles triangle, a small triangle. This one we are printing. That's it. Nothing else. So this is how you can able to do it. But I will going to explain all those things. Until that, please wait. Okay, na? Until that, please wait. Don't worry. So I will take a lot of things related to patterns, but a lot of things are there in the patterns. I will take that one. Until that, please wait. We will finish a few concepts in this, and we will do that one. Okay, later. Okay, this is patterns. We will going to discuss about all these patterns, as well as what I discussed here. I discussed about nested loop. See, there is a for loop. Inside that for loop, we created one more for loop. This for loop we will call it as nested for loop. Basically, this is called it as inner loop. This is called it as outer loop. Okay. So when this inner loop get executed, okay, until where it will going to execute means until the inner loop become false, it will not go to the outer loop. Okay. So basically, when the outer loop become true, suppose think like that, I is equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 5, true. Yes or not? I value is what here? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5, that is true. When it goes inside, until this nested for becomes false, okay, when it will become false, then only this control will go back to outer loop. This is what exactly you need to understand about the nested for loop. That is the reason why I wrote this one. You can able to see I made some changes over here. System.out.println. Println is nothing but in one single line it will going to print all the stars. Okay, but what I'm doing here, I am doing something like that. After the println, I'm making the next line. Okay, when you do this one, it will going to create the next line. So that is the reason why you people are getting the, what is that? That triangle. Okay, right angle triangle you are getting. Okay, this is what exactly related to patterns. But we will discuss all those things. Don't worry right now. So compared to this one, we have very important one. Okay, very important one, that is called it as for each loop. We will discuss that one later. We will go to discuss about all these things. Okay. Wait, guys. I think everybody understood the concept. Okay. Nested for loop, again, all those things. If you want to learn the patterns, you can able to learn, not a problem. Okay, not a problem at all. So basically, we have, see here, guys. I will going to explain this one. We have one more for loop, that is called it as, so that one basically we will call it as for each loop. Okay, basically few people call this one as for each loop. Okay, for each loop. Otherwise, some people will say it is a nested for loop. Okay, sorry, it is a enhanced for loop, like that they will going to say. Enhanced, okay, enhanced for loop, like that. Enhanced for loop. Both are same. Okay, both are same, guys. This is both are same. For each, you can call, otherwise enhanced for loop. Very important one. So I will go to discuss about this. First, I will go to discuss about the syntax. Later, I will go to discuss about the program, all those things, whatever the requirements which are required for our programming, everything we will go to discuss. First, we will go to discuss about the syntax. Syntax is very simple for each loop. For each loop. Okay. I think you have some disturbance. Guys, here take this one. The syntax is very simple. I will go to write a for. This is a keyword. Please understand here. I will go to write a keyword, that is called it as for. Here you will go to write data type. Here you will go to write data type. Here you will go to write data type. After that you will go to write variable. Here you have to write the variable. You have to write the variable here. After that, you have to write something like array name. Basically, this for each loop will going to be used in collections, lists, sets, all those things. Okay. So basically, we will going to use in that case only. So everywhere we cannot able to use this for loop and all. Okay, this for each loop. But basically, where we will going to use all these things, basically we will going to use in arrays, again list, again collections, again sets, like your data set will be there like that. Okay. In that area, we can able to use this one. So here I will going to say something like, if I am taking array, I will going to write array name. Array name. Okay, now clear everyone? Everyone understood? Again, here what we're going to do, we're going to create a body for this. Again, your code, executable code you will go to write here. Nothing but statement. Okay, executable code or statement. You take whatever you want it. Executable statement or executable code. Clear? Again, close the body. This is your syntax. Anyone have doubts related to syntax? For, okay, again you have to write the data type like integer, character, float, double, whatever it may be. Again, one variable you have to mention. Basically, what is this variable is nothing but it will going to collect the data. It will going to collect the data. Something like sets, list, again array elements, all those things. It will going to collect those data. Basically, this variable will going to collect the data from initial position, that is 0. Okay, again array name, whatever the array you will going to mention, that name you have to mention here. Again, you will going to execute the code. So this is all about syntax. It's very easy one and simple one. We will going to write program on this. Okay, now everybody understood? Everybody understood the syntax or not? Tell me, please let me know. Please chat. Yes or not? Okay, I think everybody understood. We will going to write a program on this. Again, we will going to understand. Okay, so we'll going to write a program on for each loop. Let me create a class here. Okay, go to new class. Again, create a class here. So I will go to say for each loop here. For each loop. Okay, either you can call this one as a this one enhanced loop also, no problem. Finish, that's it. So here you see everybody. So we have a main body. Inside the main body, some nonsense is there. Delete this one, not required for us. Yes or not? It is not required. So basically what I will go to do, just I will go to declare one array, simple array. Just I will go to declare an array, something like integer. Understanding everyone? ARR. I will going to take the array name as a ARR. Again, normally I will going to declare here. Okay, normal array I will going to declare here. So, but in Java, you will going to see a lot of types are there. In the arrays, I will going to discuss everything. Don't worry. Right now, I don't want to confuse you everything. Okay, with giving everything, I don't want to confuse you people. Here, I will going to give some values like 10. Okay, just I will going to take 20, 30, again 40, again 50, like this. Understanding everyone? We have elements. So basically, this is the scenario. We have an array. You can able to see the array is very simple. ARR. The array name is ARR. Again, it consists of some elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. So how to print this one, sir? Basically, if you want to print this one, means we will go to use the for loop again. So we will going to say I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to something. We will going to give it again. After that, we will going to print this array. Basically, we will going to do like that. But in the for each loop, what we will going to do? Basically, I will going to say something like for. Okay, according to syntax, I will going to follow. Basically, we are printing integers, right? That's why integer. That is what exactly I told you. It's a data type integer. Again, create your own variable, not your own variable. In the for loop also, you will going to create a own variable, right? Here you can able to see we have created our own variable like that. Here we have to create our own variable. I will going to say something. The own variable is something like I will going to take it. Again, here colon. Okay, colon. Again, you have to mention the array name. What is the array name? That is ARR. So you have to mention that one, ARR. Understood everyone? If you are not able to understand, don't worry. Right now, I will going to tell you, I will going to explain you what is this exactly. Basically, why I am writing this one data type, again, this one variable as well as array name. Basically, see here, this for will going to collect the, okay, collect the elements with one single variable. Okay, what is that variable? I. Understood everyone? This variable will going to hold the value of, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. So what happens when you mention this colon, automatically it will understand I have to increment the value by 1. Okay, so for each loop, it will understand very clearly I have to increment the value by 1. Basically, it will going to point the syntax, sorry, array index 0. What is the index 0 is there? That is 10 is there. Yes or not? We have 10 in index 0. So this I is pointing to the index 0. Yes or not? Everybody understood? So this will going to collect all the elements, whatever the elements is available in this array, all the elements, it will going to collect all the elements, list, set, everything, whatever the things you will going to give it, everything it will going to collect. That is the reason why we created our own variable, that is called it as I. I think everybody understood. Now how to print, sir? This one, very simple. Same thing like that only here. Okay, so mention I, that's it. Run this program. You can see this one. Yes or not, guys? You can see this one, right? Hello? Everybody understood? Guys, understood or not? Let me know, please. Let me know if you are understood or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Fast, fast, fast. We have to finish so many things. Okay, nice. Anybody still not able to understand this concept? Please tell me. If you are not able to understand, I will going to take it. Okay, one more time. I will going to take it one more time. That's why please tell me if you are not able to understand this one. Okay, I think everybody understood. So I will make a small change here. Please understand, I will going to make a small change in this. See what I will going to do here, guys. I will going to remove this one. Suppose I wanted to add these values 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 like that. I wanted to add means what I will going to do. I will going to take one variable here, just here. I will going to take one variable, something like integer. Basically, these are all integer values, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all those things. I will going to take the integer value. Here I will going to mention total. Okay, total I will going to mention. Total is equal to 0. I will going to mention. Okay, so current total value is what? 0. So what I will going to do here, I will going to add the value 10 plus 20 like that. So for that, what I will going to do here, total, okay, total, correct spelling, okay, total again plus is equal to nothing but what? Total is equal to total plus 1. You can write like this also. That's why every time I'm changing the methods, everything. Okay, you can write like this also, not a problem. Sorry. Hi. Okay, you can able to change it, no problem. Total plus is equal to I is nothing but, so whatever the index is there, it will going to add the I value. First index 0, 0 plus 0. What is the value? 0 plus 10. What is the value? You will going to get it. You will going to get the value 10. Again, total value will be 10. Again, 10 plus 20. 10 again 20 plus 30. Like that. It will going to add once again. Okay. So what happens? Finally, we will going to print the value. I will going to print the value over here. After coming outside, directly you cannot able to print here. You can able to print it, not a problem here. But what happens, it will going to mention all the times what is the added value 10, 20 like that. It will going to print it. If you want it, I will show you that one also, don't worry. But I will going to write it here. It will be better. So single answer, I will going to get it. Finally, total value, I will say. Just run this program. Yes or not? I think it's correct, right? So here we can see 50, 100, 140, again 50, 150. It's right? Yes or not? Correct or not? Guys, got it? Everybody got it? Anyone have doubts? Please let me know. If you have any doubts, please let me know, guys. I will going to explain. Okay, shall we take one more example on this? Guys, shall we take one more example? Can I take one more example? Can I take one more example? But I will not going to take integer. I will going to take different data type. Okay, I will going to take one more example. It will be clear for you people. Okay, now I will going to take different example. Here, see here. What I will do, just I will going to remove everything. I think everybody understood this one. Now, I will going to take an example. That example is simple one. So something like string one. Okay, string data type I will going to use here. String data type. In that string, think like that you people are having something like fruits. Okay, we will take fruits. Okay, we will take fruits. Otherwise, you can take months, weeks, all those things. Whatever you want it, you can take it, not a problem. But I will take fruits. Okay, I will take fruits here. String. Okay, string is a fruit. String is a data type here. Again, here I will going to mention something like fruits. Okay, fruits. Here, fruit is an array. Please understand, fruit is an array. So that's why I will going to mention like this. You know, right? How to mention the array. After that, what I will do, I will going to enter the fruits here. You tell me first. Let me write apple, apple. Next one, you tell me. Please chat. At least tell the fruits name. At least tell the fruits name. Yeah, I will take that fruit. Whoever will tell that fruit, I will take that fruit. Mango. Okay, I got it. One mango. I will take. Done. Mango is done. Mango done. Somebody likes watermelon. Nice. Okay. Okay, done. Again. Okay. I will take grapes as well. Next. Anything else left? Okay. Enough. 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 Okay. This is it. Okay. Fine. No problem. Because we haven't mentioned the string, that's why it's giving error. Nothing else. Fine. I think everybody understood. This is how you will go to declare an array, basically normal array. So I will go to show you how to declare an array in Java, all those things I will tell you. See, you can understand the last example. What we have done, we created a integer value, yes or not? Some integer. Again, we taken some array. In that we have elements. Here you can able to see we have a string. That string name is, what is that? Fruits. Array is fruit. Okay. Here we have fruits. Mango is there, apple is there, watermelon is there, grapes is there, strawberry is there. I wanted to print this one. Okay, just understand, I wanted to print this one. How to print this one? Very simple. What we have to do, we will going to use for each loop here. For, okay, so here you have to mention, please understand what we're going to do. We're going to mention the data type, that is called as string. You have to tell that I am taking the string variable. Okay, you have to tell that whatever the data you are taking, that is called it as string, like that. So I will going to take our own data type variable here, something like you take whatever you want it. Str I will going to say. Again here you will mention this one. Again array name, what is that? Fruits. Fruits. Okay, now that's it. Again open the body. Clear? Everybody understood? This is how you will going to write the for each loop. Please understand, this is how you will going to write the for each loop. Clear? Everybody clear? Okay, let's see. Again, what we will going to do? We will going to write, we will going to print the fruits here. Okay, so SYSO, again, control space bar here. I will going to print STR. That's it. Run now. Okay. Okay, now everybody understood? Apple, mango, watermelon, grapes, strawberry, we are printing here. Anybody have doubts related to for each loop? Anybody have doubts related to for each loop? This will be used for only arrays, list, okay, something like a list, again collections, all those things. Such areas are there. So I will going to do the collection. That time you will going to understand. In that area you will going to use all these things. So this is all about for each loop. If you have any doubts, let me know. I will going to explain. Tell me if you have any doubts related to this one. Let me know. I will going to explain this one. Guys, tell me, guys, if you have any doubts related to for each loop, let me know. I will explain. Tell me, guys, tell me. Please message, at least message, yeah. At least tell me whether you understood or not. Okay, so this is for each loop. See what I did. Okay, what I did, very simple. I created an array that is called it as fruits in the name of fruits. Okay, so we have fruits here. In this array, we have fruits. 5 fruits is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits is there. So that is available in this particular array. So what I'm doing, this is our own variable. This is my own variable. What is the type? That is string type. That is says that it says that in the syntax, yes or not? String variable. Again, str is a variable here. Str is a string is a type here, data type. Okay. So this variable will going to take the string type data. So that is what exactly we need to understand here. Again, we have to mention the array name. What is the array name here? That is fruits. Again, you have to print that one. Whatever the data is there, all fruits array data, that will be stored into the string str. It will going to be stored into the string str. Again, it will going to print one by one, 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, like that. It will going to print it. So this is what exactly it will going to happen. Anyone have doubts now? You tell me if you have any doubts. Basically, this str will going to collect the data. What is the data? It will going to collect the data elements. It will going to store the elements. What are those elements? Apple, mango, watermelon, grape, strawberry. These are all elements which are belongs to this particular array, that is called it as fruits. Okay. So this is storing. Which one is storing? str is storing. So that is what exactly. Whatever the data is available in this particular variable, that variable I am printing here. That's why you are getting that value. What is that? Apple, mango, watermelon, grapes. Basically, you can ask like this, sir, why it is coming in order itself? Apple, mango, watermelon, grapes, strawberry. Basically, whatever the data you will go to store, that will store index 0 at first. Okay. After that, it will go to be increment 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, like that. It will go to be incremented. That's why you people are getting like this. Okay. Now you tell me if you have any doubts. Guys, you have any doubts? Now you tell me, guys, if you have any doubts. No, 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 right? Doubts is there. Still, you have any doubts? Okay. I think everybody understood. Now, I will going to show you one more method here. I will going to show you one more method. Just I will going to comment this one. Okay. Okay. I will going to show you one more method. There are a lot of methods are there. For example, I wanted to print all these things. What is that? All these strings, I wanted to print it. So there is another method. I will going to show you that one. For things like that, I is equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 0. Okay. Again, what I will do? I will say I is less than, I is less than, here I have taken fruits, right? Fruits dot. Okay, length. It indicates very clearly. Please understand. I will go to write the full one. After that, I will tell you. I plus plus. Now you please understand. Sir, what is this? What you wrote here? You can ask me like that. So what I wrote here, just you mention the type here, integer, then it will be over. Okay. I is equal to 0. It will going to start from 0. Again, 0 less than what? Where it has to stop. That is the reason why fruits is nothing but it's an array name. Array name dot, it's a method. Okay. Dot length is a method. It will understand how many elements which are available in this. Nothing but how many indexes are available. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 indexes are available. It will going to understand the length. So it will going to stop at the 4 index. Yes or not? Everybody understood? It will going to stop at the 4 index. Nothing but what? Instead of writing directly 4, see guys, instead of writing directly 4 here, I is less than or equal to 4, like that. I can able to write like that also. Otherwise, I can able to write like this also. Array name dot length. Okay, nothing but this length it will going to understand. The array length it will going to understand. Again, I will going to increment. Finally, what I will going to do? I will going to print the fruits here. That is what? SYSO. So these are all methods. There are a lot of methods are there in Java. That is the reason why I'm telling you, you have to learn. Okay, fruits, that is, what is that? Array. That's it. Now you run the program. You will understand. Still we are able to print it. Apple, mango, watermelon, grapes. Yes or not? Apple, mango, watermelon, grapes. Still we are able to print it. So because length indicates the length of the array. So fruits dot length indicates the length of the array. Okay, sir. If you remove this one, nothing will going to happen. What I will going to do? I will going to mention less than or equal to 4. Still it will go to print. Still it will going to print. Yes or not? Instead of printing like that, okay, what I am doing? I am giving the array dot length. So what is the array dot length? It will go into, the system will going to understand that what is the length it is. Okay, that's what exactly I did it. I think everybody understood that one. Please tell me, you people understood or not? Let me know. Understood everyone? Please chat here. Please tell me here. First. Yes or no? Others, what about others? Others, please let me know. Okay, fine. I think everybody understood this one. So I think everyone able to understand this one. We will going to use one more in the for loop, that is final. There are two things are there, two more concepts we have to discuss. That is, one is break and another one is continue. We will going to finish that one. Again, we will going to end up this module 2. Okay, we will going to end up the module 2. Fine, everyone. So we will take something different here. Okay, so what I will going to do, I will going to create a new class here. That's better. Class. I will make this one break. Okay, break. Finish. Guys, see here. Very simple. See here, guys. Very simple and easy one. I will take it. Okay, let's see the break here. So we have a syntax here, break syntax. What happens? Suppose think like that. If you are executing the loop like this, suppose think like that, you will go to executing the loop like this. Certain moment of time. Okay, certain moment of time. At one time, you wanted to stop this loop. Okay, in between, you wanted to stop this loop. Suppose think like that. You are moving in a highway with the vehicle. Think like that. You are moving in a highway with the vehicle. Okay. So what happens? Immediately, some person will going to be come in middle. Okay, so immediately what you will going to do? You will go to stop your bike. Like that, the loop is continuously repeating, but certain moment of time, in certain case, you wanted to stop this loop. So that is the reason why we will going to use the keyword that is called it as break keyword. Understood, everyone? That is called it as break keyword. Using this break keyword, we can able to stop the looping, all those things, whatever the things. So we'll see that one syntax we will going to see first. Okay, the syntax is very simple. So basically syntax looks like this. Syntax here you can able to see, put some statement here, jump statement. You will going to put some jump statement. Think like that, it is running. So you have to stop this one jump statement. You have to stop this one. So that time what I will going to do, I will going to use the keyword that is called it as break. Okay, that is called it as break, like this, with semicolon. And one more thing you can ask me, what is this break, sir? Break is used, it is a keyword which is used to stop the looping or stop the execution process. Okay, suppose think like that, one statement is executing continuously. Certain moment of time or certain cases, you wanted to stop that one. You have to stop the jumping. So that is the reason why we will going to use the break here. So very, very simple one. Again, I will going to show you the flow chart as well here. So flow chart is very simple. I will write here only. Okay, very simple one. Think like that, I will going to take one condition. Suppose example, this is the condition here. Condition. Okay. If this condition is true, think like that. If this condition is true, what we will going to do? Basically, we will going to execute the statement. But think if the condition is false, what happens? It will go to that particular condition. Again, it will come back. Sorry, wait. Again, it will be back like this. It will going to happen like this. Okay. So if it is false, but certain condition, I will go to make that condition become false. I will purposefully, I will going to make the condition true. I will going to make the condition true. That time what happens? I will going to put the break here. Okay, I will going to put the break here. Here I will going to put the break. Okay, I will going to put the break. What happens now? So immediately it will stop executing. Immediately it will stop executing. So that is the reason why we will going to use the break. Nothing else. Okay, very simple. I think everybody understood this one. See here, once again, I will going to tell you, think like that, we have a condition. If this condition is false, it will going to execute one more time. If this condition is false, nothing but jump statement. Think like that, then jump statement. If this condition is false, it will going to execute one more time. It will going to execute one more, like that, it will going to do. Suppose if this condition becomes true, so what happens? Further, it will going to execute, but I don't want to execute. So that time purposefully, forcibly, I will going to put the break. In that case, what happens? Immediately it will stop executing. This is the reason why we will going to use the breaks.